Hey everyone, welcome to the part 2, and let's let it focus here. Come on. Okay, and in this part we'll talk about the drive part of Nokia Maps. This is a purely a navigation application, so when you launch it, the first thing you're presented with, if you want to, whether you want to set a destination, just drive home if you have it preset, and just drive, or you can just if you tap here it will exit the application. Let's go again, let's just pick just drive. The look is the map looks pretty much actually not pretty much this, but the same as the Nokia Maps application. The only difference is that on the bottom here you get a bar, where here it shows you your speed. This shows actually here you get like a road speed limit, and here you can pick whichever you want. For example, this what I have selected is distance driven. You can choose time driven, you can choose current time, and let's go back to distance driven. It's as smooth as Nokia Maps app. You can also browse it just wherever you want. So if you tap here back, it will focus you on your current location. These buttons zoom in and zoom out. Oops, sorry, I missed that. Okay, this compass here turns on your magnetometer on and off. So when you tap here, you get options of 3D view or 2D view. So here, let's go back to 2D. You can select traffic. The application will warn you that it will go online and it will use data. Let's just go online and have a look at the traffic. It doesn't seem to be updated. It slows down. Oh, there you go. Slows down a little bit when it's updating. But here is the traffic. Green everywhere. This is the exclamation marks are, I assume they are either traffic jams or traffic accidents. Yeah, traffic problem. If you tap here, just shows you distance, name, and the length of the problem. That's nice. Next, we have a volume up and down. After that, we have a set destination, which we can search. This search I already showed you, it's the same. We can go through history, which is the same as here, just the same history. I think it's the same history. Let's actually have a look at it. Yeah, I think it's the same. You can go home. You can have a look at the favorites. These buttons are pretty much shortcut to this, so you can navigate to your contacts, and this is a little bit of a problem here. You see, you can navigate from your contacts, but you have to validate your contact first. Let me show you. Just go into contacts, and let's pick here Christian Bale, right? And this contact has an address assigned to it, but it will not show up in your Nokia contacts here until you verify it, like this. Where are the contacts here? You go into here, you go, okay, like this. Then you go here, and it asks you to replace the address with the Nokia's own. These are actually from Google Contacts. This contact is just synced from Google Contacts. So you tap yes, the address gets updated, and now it will show up here. There you go, and set destination, contacts, and it shows up here. And this is kind of very inconvenient. I mean, imagine if you have like 100 contacts with addresses, so you have to go like through each and every one of them and just confirm them, which is very inconvenient. And this categories is pretty much what I showed you. So like I said, I mean, those buttons there were shortcuts for all of this, so not much else. The exit, I think you know what that is. The extras is what I showed you in Nokia Maps Maps part. This loads your maps here. Okay, let's exit, and that's pretty much it. Let's select let's navigate somewhere. Select this address, for example, tap here, and you pick navigate, and you choose whether you want to walk or drive here. Let's choose drive, and
drive to nearest road.
It drives. You can also download the voices, by the way, and I actually really like how Nokia's Maps looks. It looks very nice. Just roads everything is very clear, and this I like. You know, just I like it very much how this looks. If you tap here, you'll get command.
After 200 meters at the roundabout, take the third exit.
You can now pick travel time, time of arrival, distance to go, which is very handy. You get speed here, the speed limit, as I told you already. This is your next like a next action, but here the menu changes a little bit. You get the same 2D, 3D, and the traffic. The traffic, by the way, kind of, I don't think it shows up here. Just you cannot pan around when you are in the navigation. Let's have a look at the traffic. Basically, I'll show you this in a second. The same volume and route overview, which shows you your route from point A to point B. And this actually I like it very much. This is like your whole route, and this shows your progress. This small like black lines here, separations, they indicate your next action, like a turn or a roundabout. This up and down buttons, you can just scroll through your way. So there you go. This and they are indicated here as well. You see, reflected, I mean. They back out from this like this, and actually I wonder how it shows the traffic. Let's go into route. We get the traffic. No, the traffic is not shown here, so I don't know really what's the point of that button. And you get the settings, and you also get the stop button. Now let's have a look at the settings here. In the settings, you get map improvements. I assume this just downloads map changes and all that little things. The backlight, you can have it optimized. I think this optimized means that when you are navigating, the screen will always be on. You can also select an always on option, and the system default. I don't know what system default is, but I think optimized and system default are pretty much the same thing. You can have automatic zoom, which is on and off, and this is handy. You can pick your voice guidance. As you see here, I have an English voice downloaded. You download the voices as well. You can pick day mode or night mode. Actually, both day and night modes look very nice. and let's go into day mode. You can go on into the alerts. This is your speed limit alerts and all of that stuff. So here you can pick route settings. You can pick a faster route, optimized route, which is in my opinion a combination of shorter and faster, and of course the shorter route. You can choose to avoid traffic, avoid motorways, tunnels, ferries, toll roads, unpaved roads, train ferry. That's good. There's a lot of choices here. The application is very responsive. The fast application works nice. Okay, let's stop this. And yeah, let's exit and go back into the maps. I'll show you that you can actually navigate from here as well. Just let's select any location, just tap on it and drive to, and this one closes, and the
After
drive
250 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit.
and the drive application opens. This shows you how much data you've downloaded. Frankly, I kind of don't understand what's the point of like splitting two of these applications apart. I mean, I think they followed Google's way. Google split into maps and navigation, split their GPS, and now they combined it again. I think in Ice Cream Sandwich Android 4.0. So maybe Nokia will combine this as well. I don't know. Frankly, I think it would be nicer if this were combined. So anyway, this is the end of part 2. I'm about to run out in about 15 seconds. In part 3, I will go on to I'll go through the pros and cons of this application. So yep, there you go.